In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a project in Asana. Whether you're just beginning with project management or looking to streamline your workflow, Asana is a powerful tool that can help you stay organized and on track. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, to create a project in Asana, you need to locate the Create button. You'll find this at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select the option labeled Project. This is where the journey of project creation in Asana truly begins. Once you've selected Project, Asana will offer you a choice of how you'd like to start creating your project. You can opt to kick things off from scratch, leverage a template, or even import data if you're bringing over information from another tool or spreadsheet. For today's demonstration, we're going to take the simplest path and create from a blank project. After you've made that choice, it's time to give your new project a name. This is an important step because the name is not only for your reference, but also for any team members who might be involved. Once you've settled on a name, you'll also have the option to select views for your project. These views can help you visualize the data in different ways. However, to keep our tutorial straightforward, I'm going to deselect them all. Feel free to choose any view you need. They can be really helpful. With those steps completed, just click Create Project and voila! Your project is officially underway. It's exciting to see it come to life on your screen. Remember, projects in Asana are essentially formatted as tables at their core. You'll now have the opportunity to start customizing this table according to your needs. To tailor the layout further, click on the plus icon next to the last column. This allows you to add a new field. For instance, if your project revolves around budgeting, you might want to add a numbers column. On the other hand, for projects with task deadlines, consider adding a date column. These adaptations allow you to mold the project structure to your specific requirements. Once you've set up the columns that suit your project, you can also create sections to organize tasks more comprehensively. Just click on the Add Section button at the bottom and give your new section a name. This organization method can greatly enhance your project's clarity and efficiency. Now, to populate your project with tasks, simply click on the Add Task button located on the top left. From there, you can start naming and detailing each task based on what needs to be done. These are some foundational steps to get your project going in Asana. With these basics in place, you're well prepared to explore deeper functionalities as your projects evolve. And that's all for today's tutorial. Happy project management on Asana!